Now I'm going to talk a little bit about setting up your DVD player for your TV, however it may be. So the first thing you want to do with your DVD player to actually go into the true settings that you're going to need for your TV, whether it's going to be a widescreen TV or standard definition TV, is go ahead, and eject the tray. See, I have the tray open now, and I'll go ahead and hit my setup button on my DVD remote. We'll go ahead and click that. So here are my setup options. Now this is a big deal that I've noticed with most people's TVs, is they're not set up properly when you're doing your initial setup with your DVD player. A lot of people think you just go ahead and plug it into your TV and it's ready to go. It's really not ready to go till you go in and start making some settings, especially if you have a higher end TV. So in this case, I'm going to go down to my major settings, and we have interlace and progressive. If you've seen any of my other videos on Expert Village, you can see the difference between progressive and interlaced. So if you do have a progressive scan TV, which most HD TVs are, you'll go ahead and click the button and select progressive. In this case, it's going in interlaced, so I'll leave it on interlaced, which is your standard definition signal. Of course, NTSC for all the people in America. Anybody else can go ahead and set it to PAL. Let's see what else we have. The other major setting is the TV aspect ratio. This one's big. A lot of people complain about the black bars on certain movies. Well, not every movie has black bars if it is a widescreen movie on a widescreen TV. Black bars on a widescreen TV aren't always supposed to be there. Some movies, the actual aspect ratio is a little bit smaller, so even on a widescreen TV it'll still give you black bars. But for true 16:9 movies, you're going to want to set your DVD player up like this. So in this case right now, this unit is plugged into a 4:3 TV, so which is your standard definition TV, so it will give the black boxes, and that's what that letterboxing is. If I click the button, I can actually change it to 16:9. Now if I click this, it will actually spread my video out to widescreen. So any movies that are encoded for widescreen will actually display in a widescreen aspect ratio and not give you the black bars if the aspect ratio is correct. So this is the way to change this. So for every single DVD player, go ahead and do this first to make sure you're getting the best picture possible for your TV. So I'm going to put it back on letterbox because that's how it's set up here. So that's pretty much it. There's tons of settings you have for parental control. You can set rating levels. If you don't want your kids to be watching movies that are rated R, you can go ahead and set all that here. Digital audio output. So if you're going to do movies that are in surround sound, these are all settings that you will set up. So just know the equipment that you have first, and then know what you want to change to make it all the best it can be. Go ahead and consult a professional if you do need help. If not, go ahead and play with these buttons. You really can't mess anything up. But go ahead and try it out and see how it goes to get the best picture quality possible. And that's it for setting up the basics of your DVD player.